Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a head-to-head showdown between two popular chatbots platform, which is ZappyChat AI and ManyChat. Now, if you're looking for the best tool to automate conversations, engage with your audience, and save time on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger, this video is for you. I'll break down the features, strengths, and weaknesses of each platform and help you decide which one is the right fit for your business. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's dive right in. And so let's start with the basics and with ZappyChat AI. Now, this tool right here is a AI-powered chatbot platform that focuses on providing highly personalized content-aware conversations. It uses advanced AI to mimic human-like chats, making it great for customer support, lead generation, and dynamic marketing. On the other hand, ManyChat is a popular chatbot and automation tool that focuses on platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and SMS. It's known for its no-code flow builder, which makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, while ZappyChat leans heavily on the AI-driven conversations. ManyChat focuses on structured, rule-based automation, which can be just as effective for marketing. And so now let's talk about features. Now, the ZappyChat AI uses advanced generative AI to create natural and dynamic conversations. It adapts to context, tone, and user behavior almost like a human assistant, while ManyChat, however, replies or relies on predefined flows. You build automations using a visual drag and drop interface with keywords and triggers. It's more structured but less adaptive. Now, on supported platform, ZappyChat AI works on WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, email, and web platforms, while ManyChat is king when it comes to social media platforms, supporting Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and SMS. Now, with personalization, ZapChat conversations feel natural because the AI adapts to what the user says. Even if they go off topic, it's excellent for complex queries and personalized responses. Now, on ManyChat, they allow personalization too, but it's more manual. You set up rules and flows to respond based on the specific keywords on user actions. And so we have lead generation. ZappyChat uses AI to qualify leads naturally by leaving the right questions and adapting in real time. It's like having a smart sales assistant. ManyChat offers structured lead forms and pre-built templates, making it easy to collect names, emails, and phone number. You can just go ahead and set up any automation the way you want to. So as an example, if you want to get or grow your YouTube, you can just go ahead and click on get YouTube subscribers via Instagram DMs. What this automation will do is that they will spread your YouTube channel through Instagram DMs. And so we have e-commerce and sale funnels. Both platforms supports e-commerce, but ZappyChat focuses on AI-based products recommendations and answering inquiries. ManyChat signs with its pre-built sales flow, abandoned cart reminders, and integration with platforms like Shopify. And now let's compare both of the strengths and weaknesses for both platforms. Now for ZappyChat, the strengths are going to be the advanced AI that delivers human-like conversations, context-aware messages. It's perfect for businesses that need to handle complex queries or provide highly personalized responses. And what I love about ZappyChat is the support on multiple platforms like email, Slack, and web. And so the weakness is going to be beginner friendly. It's not as beginner friendly as it seems. Setting up AI workflows requires some technical know-hows. Fewer ready-made templates compared to ManyChats. Now, on the other hand, ManyChat is extremely easy to use with its no-code, the drag and drop flow builder. It's great for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp automations. It's perfect for beginners with a lot of templates or pre-built templates. Now, the weakness is going to be conversations feel more rigid because they rely on predefined flows. They are limited to advanced AI capabilities. It's not as dynamic as ZappyChat. And so let's talk about pricing real quick. ZappyChat AI uses a usage-based pricing model, so the cost depends on how many AI queries and integration you use. It's great for businesses that need AI at scale. Now on ManyChat, they offer a free plan for up to 1,000 contacts, and its paid plan scales based on the number of active contracts or contacts. This makes it very accessible for small businesses and startups. And so, which platform is the right for you? Basically, you want to choose ZappyChat if you need advanced AI-driven conversation that feel human-like, or your business deals with complex customer queries and require highly personalized responses, or you're ready to invest in setting up an AI chatbot. As I've said earlier, this is not a beginner friendly tool and you need some technical know-how in order to set up ZappyChat on your platform. And so you want to choose ManyChat if you want a simple user-friendly platform with no code interface, or your focus is on the marketing automation for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp, and you need quick results with minimal setup times. Both platforms are incredible and powerful, but they cater to different needs. ZappyChat AI is perfect for businesses that need cutting-edge AI, while ManyChat is the go-to for marketers looking for an easy automation. And so before we end the video, let's look at some real-world use cases to see how businesses are using these platforms effectively. Now, ZappyChat AI. Imagine you run a tech support service with ZappyChat AI. The chatbot can understand complex issues with provided details, personalized solutions instantly. For example, if a customer says my app keeps crashing on iOS, ZappyChat can respond with tailored troubleshooting steps instead of generic replies. Now, another example is going to be an e-commerce brand that uses ZappyChat. Now, they use ZappyChat to recommend products dynamically based on the customer's behavior and preferences, like a virtual sales assistant. On the other hand, ManyChat is perfect for businesses running social media campaign. For instance, an Instagram giveaway can trigger automated DMs when someone comments on a post, helping you collect leads effortlessly. Now, many businesses also use ManyChat for abandoned cart recovery, sending a reminder to WhatsApp or Messenger with detailed codes to bring customer back to complete their purchases. Now, both platforms drive result, but the key is choosing the right one that fits your business needs. And so, let me know in the comments below which platform you're leaning towards into or one that you have tried. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any helpful content like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.